Hi SCM team, I am Amritraj from India. This is video statement for SCM application. I directly poke into the questions. I am an engineering graduate with strong foundation in analytical skills as well as mathematical skill. I am working as an operation manager in Wafer Chips Limited. Prior to this position, I have the experience in teaching. Alongside, I concentrated in few government-funded projects. In those projects, the problem I perceived is huge imbalance in many areas, in specific to supply and demand, surplus and scarce resources, abundant and restrained production. With my optimization ability and advanced distribution planning, I completed those projects in successful manner. I got appreciation and reward from government for sealing the great economic losses. This encouragement grew my passions in supply chain management. With the academic and work experiences I have accumulated thus far, I feel well prepared and confident to enter master's program in MIT. By admitting me into the master's program, my skills and knowledge will be enhanced and it would help me to contribute to the economic edifice of my country, especially at this crucial juncture. And also, I can acquire top position in supply chain management, optimization, network design, facility planning plays key role in supply chain management, resulting into optimum utility, cost reduction in transportation, resources, warehouse, and many more, along with profit maximization practice everywhere. Supply chain management is the only program which focused on multiple angles in any business or projects in effective and efficient manner. It is definitely a key component for it to help me to reallocate many business ventures, both in-house and offshore projects to streamline global competitions. Well, as the pinch of purse permits, I would like to acquire my degree. I want to keep growing personally and professionally. I want to be able to solve the complex and dynamic problems and to obtain sustainable and strategic solutions in all aspects. It will be great use to my country on the first go. Secondly, promote international trade, the future pedestal of all economics around the world, with an awe-inspiring, enviable, striking growth quotient. I was delighted to receive Energy Conservation Award for my organization from National Board of Energy Conservation and Renewable Sources 4 years ago. I, along with my team, we invested 8 months into this project. I feel most proud of this project as it means that recognition of my hard work. Unknowingly, this is the juncture where I started using supply chain techniques such as optimizing principles in all my approaches. This award really motivated me to concentrate on similar projects and made me realize how supply chain can make drastic changes in the entire system. During my teaching, I was selected as management representative for implementing accreditation and certification programs. Head of my institution thought of outsourcing the process and conducted the meeting including the different vendors and all the employees of our institution. Each vendor quoted the duration of implementing and cost of implementation of the project in different ways, which was not matching to one. All of us were totally confused. As a management representative, I, along with my assistant, analyzed the process involved in this project. I underwent a try program in implementing this project. I undergone a training in those process. Successively, I trained all my team members. Without outsourcing, we started doing this accreditation and certification process. I subdivided and unitized each process into simple steps. The entire team worked well and hence it became a huge success. Without affecting the routine works with one-fifth of the cost and to within half the duration quoted by the vendors. Involving into supply chain complexity is a profit. This made me recognize that profit is what I am saving and taught me overcome the various barriers with the unique decision making and planned execution. Eventually, this incident shaped me who I am now. After completing the master's program, I can contribute as a community teaching assistant. I am interested to work as a project assistant or research associate and coordinate and cooperate in any relevant events. Moreover, I am having cordial interaction with my students. I can help them to reach this number one program from world's best institution. I believe to aim, aspire and achieve, seek, strive and succeed, endure, excel and exemplify into the productive contributor to the world in the arena of economic and commerce spheres. As my sincere faith is that they are the two eyes of a universal business conclave, the hallmark of future trade. Although I have the proposal for few projects in the core area of SEM, my priority is in applying SEM principles to humanitarian projects. Thank you very much. Hope I meet you at MIT.